can't believe how easy it was just to pull the motor out. There's a ground cable still attached. Now that's pretty awesome. I may have to put another brace a little bit lower, stick some 4x4s through it, let it down, and then reposition the chain or something. So we'll figure it out. Wanted to just finish up this little video here, let you know we got the motor out fine, backed it up, and our next little project is to lift the boat off the trailer. I did take the motor out because I wanted to get this little thing right here, the back end, the gimbal off of it. I am going to put an outboard motor on it, and so that's what we're going to do. Hey, I tried something different here because of the wind and it's so noisy and everything. I tried to speed these little video clips up. Let me know if you like that or if you don't like that. And I'm working on the sound to try to do an overlay of my voice on what I'm doing, so the videos will just be silent, but me talking over it, because it's so windy up here. It's unbelievable. But I hope you like this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the little bell. That means everything. It means I get more views, more people. I hate it. Every time I put a video up, I lose 2 or 3 subscribers. But it doesn't matter. I don't care about that. I I love working on this thing and making my little videos. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Can't wait to show you the bilge in there, the motor bay. It's huge. We're going to get all that oil and grease and everything picked up and cleaned out of there, and then get it all painted, and then start putting things back together. So, all right. I appreciate y'all. Talk to you soon.